Hey guys, Nate here with Capitol Hill Carpet Cleaning. Just wanted to do a quick demo on the new CFX ZX that we're using up here in these high rises. With the new high performance ZX vacuum motors, which are just great. So we're gonna turn it on and take a lift gauge and run 75 feet up to a loft. Then we'll take that reading. All right, so we're gonna fire this up. We have two. Okay, here it goes. Still hitting that board, even at 75 feet. Super impressive, guys. All right, so I also wanted to see if I could answer a quick question about getting hot water and good water pressure with the CFX. So as you can see, there's the faucet adapter kit here. And then what I'm actually doing before I start cleaning is I'm running the solution line directly into the pump prime. And basically it's just priming up that heat. It's running water through there, rinsing the clean water tank, and then it's just going out of the APO. So by the time this has been running for a couple of minutes and my pre-spray is well, I'll just disconnect it from the pump prime port and then reconnect that to the Rotovac, and then I have instantaneously hot water versus having to clean for a few minutes before finally getting the hot water to the end of the cleaning hose. Oh yeah, and there's one other benefit I just wanted to add to priming your water. That is that you can always make sure your auto pump out is working correctly at the beginning of every job. So I know some people don't always clean out their waste tank every day, and especially that can contribute to your float switch getting stuck. So if you do this at the beginning of every job, you can be pretty confident that it's gonna pump out correctly and you don't have to like run back and check on the machine at all, which is a huge time saver. All right, so the cleaning is all done, and I just hooked up the solution line to the priming nipple again for the auto pump out, and I will let it run for about 20 minutes as I disconnect everything, and you know, that'll be the very last thing that I take down, just to give it enough time to rinse out the wastewater tank. So I hope this helps you guys.